friends, hope you are all well. Cmat 2022 notification is out. In today's video, I'll talk about the important update and changes in Cmat 2022 examination. I'll talk about Cmat 2022 examination fees, Cmat 2022 test pattern, test structure, what is the last date of Cmat application form. All these details will be discussed in this video. Watch this video till the end so that I can guide you step by step through the Cmat 2022 registration process. And also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Do share this channel link with your friends and also press the bell icon in order to receive important updates about Cmat 2022 examination. The Common Management Admission Test or CMAT is a national level entrance examination for admission to management programs in India. This CMAT test facilitates AICTE affiliated or participating institution to select suitable graduate candidates for admission into postgraduate diploma in management, that is PGDM and MBA courses in AICTE approved institution. Till 2018, the test was conducted by AICTE. Now, since 2019, NTA or National Testing Agency is conducting this test. CMAT 2022 will be conducted by NTA and the CMAT is a 3 hours computer-based online test. Now, let us look into the eligibility criteria of CMAT. CMAT 2022 can be taken up by the graduates in any discipline. Even the final year appearing candidates can also apply. Please note that there is no age limit to appear in CMAT 2022 and you have to be of Indian nationality to appear in CMAT 2022 examination. 2022 timeline looks like the application has started since 16 February 2022 and the application window will close on 17th March 2022. Within 18th March 2022, you have to make the application fee payment. 19th March till 21st March 2022, the editing window of the application will be open. If you have made some errors or mistakes, you can edit in between this 48 hours, that is 19th March 2022 to 21st March 2022. And admit card can be downloaded which will be notified in due time on the CMAT NTA website. If we look into the CMAT 2022, the reservation rules, now these rules are particularly applicable to central government run institutions. Now for scheduled caste candidates, there is 15% reservation of the seats. For scheduled tribe candidates, there is 7.5% reservation. For other backward classes, there is 27% reservation. For EWS category candidates, there is 10% reservation. For physically handicapped candidates, there is 5% reservation in each of the sections, and for Kashmiri migrants, there will be supernumerary seats being allotted. Now, let us look into CMAT 2022 examination fees. Now, here the examination fees for CMAT application 2022 will be different for as per the category. If you are belonging from general or unreserved category and you are a male applicant, then the application fees is 2000 rupees, whereas for the female candidates belonging to general category, the application fees is 1000 rupees only. For general EWS, for scheduled caste, for scheduled tribe, for PWD candidates, for OBC, NCL, for male and female both category candidates, the application fee will be 1000 rupees, and for candidates belonging to third gender, the application fee will be 1000 rupees as well. Now, if we go through CMAT 2022, the test pattern, there will be 5 sections in the question paper. The section 1 consists of quantitative techniques and data interpretation problems, which will have 20 questions, and the maximum marks allotted to this section will be 80. The second section comprises of logical reasoning questions, which will be again 20 in number, and maximum marks allotted to this section is 80. In the language comprehension section, that is the third section, where there will be 20 questions with maximum marks 80. The next section will be from general awareness, where again there will be 20 sections and there will be maximum marks of 80. And the fifth section, which is innovation and entrepreneurship, where there will be 20 questions and there will be maximum marks of 80. So as you can find out, there will be total 100 questions distributed in 5 sections and total 400 marks distributed in 5 sections. Now the test structure, if you talk about, the mode of exam will be computer based and the exam duration will be 180 minutes. So in 180 minutes, 3 hours time slot, you have to answer total of 100 questions. Now the timing of the examination. So the date of CMAT 2022 has not yet been announced by NTA, but it will be in 2 slots. There will be one morning slot, which will be starting, the examination will be starting from 10 in the morning till 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and the second slot, which is the afternoon slot, where there will be the exam will be starting at 3 p.m. and will continue till 6 p.m. So in the 2 slots there will be examination. During the CMAT application form fill up, you can choose the examination center, and provided on the seat capacity, your examination center will be allotted based on your choices, and the exam center you'll be getting to know as indicated on the admit card. The CMAT marking scheme. In CMAT, each question will carry 4 marks as indicated, and for each correct response, candidate will get 4 marks, and for each incorrect response, there will be 1 mark deduction from the total CMAT score. And unanswered and unattempted questions will be given no marks in CMAT. So these are the particular things what you should remember. There is negative marking, -1 for the wrong answer, +4 for the right answer, and there is no marking or no marks being added to your score if you skip any questions. Now let us have a quick look on what are the form fill up requirements. So when you start to fill up CMAT 2022 application form, just make sure you have these following things ready with you. So I will advise you to fill up from a desktop computer or the laptop computer with proper internet connectivity should be used to fill up CMAT application form. The particulars of a valid government issued ID you should have ready with you. It can be Aadhaar card, it can be election ID card, it can be your passport, it can be your ration card, it can be your bank account number, PAN number, or any other valid government ID. The date of birth, what you need to fill in the application form should be same as in your class 10 board certificate, and in your educational qualification details also you have to be ready with. You should have your scanned passport size photograph. Now there is specific size and format. The scanned photograph should be in JPG or JPEG format, and the size will be between 10 KB to 200 KB. It can be either in color or in black and white, with 80% of the applicant's face being exposed and without mask and visible very clearly and properly, including ears, against of course a white background. So make sure the specifications whatever is mentioned in the bulletin, you should have your scanned photograph ready. Incorrect photograph will lead to rejection of the application form. You should also scan your signature in a clear white paper signed with a blue or black ball pen, and of course in JPG or JPEG format with size between 4 KB to 30 KB. For city preference for your test examination, you should go through the Annexure 5 of the bulletin, the information bulletin. You can download from the information bulletin for CMAT, which I have given in the description box. And you should list the city of your choices while filling up the application form. Your bank account details should be ready for the payment of the application fees, and also a valid email ID, as for all the important communication will be made by NTA with this email ID. And of course, you should have a valid mobile number, as important information via SMS will be sent to this number to the candidates. So these are the form fill up requirements while filling up the application form for CMAT 2022. Now let us go through the CMAT 2022 form fill up steps. Number 1, step 1, you have to register for online registration using your email ID and mobile number. And first note down the system generated application number. In the second step, you should complete the online application, upload your legible scanned image of the recent photograph of the signature, and also if your category certificate is applicable, you have to upload that, your PWD certificate. Please mention that, note down that this category certificate or PWD certificate should be file size, scan size should be in between 50 KB to 300 KB if applicable. In the step 3, you have to pay the fees using the payment gateway, which is integrated with the online application through net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI or wallet, and the key proof of the fees paid. And there is no need to send the completed application form to NTA. This process is completely online, but download the copy of the filled up application form and the payment receipt for your future reference. And here comes the CMAT website for the registration. Please note down, and if you click on the CMAT website, it will directly lead you to the registration window where you can just click and fill it up like this. And I have given this link also in the description box. So friends, that was all about CMAT 2022 examination. If you have any query, please feel free to call us, or you can interact with us with all the social media handles given in the description box. I have created a query form where you can mention your query and we will be happy to revert back to you. And also you can comment in the comment box. Do let me know what are the topics you want me to discuss or make video on. And regarding CMAT 2022 updates, like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel, and also share this channel link with your friends, and also press the bell icon to receive updates and alerts on CMAT 2022 from Apna College Net YouTube channel. For the CMAT examination, I wish you all the best. Thank you.